Hi, my name is Doinks Stratton.
My name is Marco. We're the Doinks. Doinks' job is to make a fast, solar-powered car. We thought, how do you make solar cars? Well, we started from the very bottom. We had no idea what we were doing or what our model was going to look like.
Our first idea was to 3D print the chassis, but we figured that it would be lighter and more energy efficient to use cardboard. We also thought about using giant wheels to optimize speed, but then we figured out that stock wheels would be better. We thought that they would be better because we imagined the world as one big gear. So the smaller the gear, the better the ratio, and the better the speed. We also are covering our gears and our axles with straws.
Our team name is the Doinks, and our idea was to give our solar car the best aerodynamics, power, and speed. After trying to get the measurements and dimensions of all the pieces, we got the building. We got our camera ready and started out something in my photo. At first we built our prototype. We got two rectangles out of the cardboard and stuck one of our axles in it.
The axles had the gear and the two wheels connected to it, but we had one problem. The axle would move to the side and it would make our car just a little bit slower. Of course, this was the prototype, so we worked around this pretty easily. Our other axle was on the other side, and this axle was composed of just two wheels. We thought that our solar panel would be slanted towards the sun in order to get the best effect and the best speed out of our solar panel. This wasn't the final, and we were seriously considering changing out our cardboard for balsa wood, but this just wasn't going to happen. In the end, it all worked out. We got a fast car with a gear ratio of 2:1, and these are some videos of us building.